In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Persona 5, the Phantom X, from crashing on Steam. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Steam application here. You want to right click on it, click on Show More Options, click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and then you want to click on the checkbox here for Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply, and then click on OK. Open the Steam application like so, and then make sure you navigate to Persona 5, the Phantom X. Click on Manage, click on Properties, click on the installed files here, and then click on Verify Integrity of the game files. This will allow you to download any missing files and override any corrupting files that you might have. And then you want to click on Play to see if it crashes. If you are still having issues and the game is crashing still, then you might need to update your drivers. You want to go to, in this case, I have NVIDIA. Then you want to open your application up. You want to click on drivers. And then you should have an option to install the driver if you're not already up to date. But you could try reinstalling again as well. And if that doesn't work, you can just try restarting your computer to see if that works. Thanks for watching.